Good morning, the students of class 8. On the occasion of Happy Teacher Day, I congratulate all of you and wish that your future may be bright. Dear students, today I am going to teach you the topic of present tense. Present tense that denotes any work is done in present time is known as present tense, such as I am teaching you, I am working in my office, I have completed my work, you have been doing this work since morning. All such examples are related to present tense. Dear students, there are four kinds of present tense. As you know that first part is simple present, that is known as present indefinite also. Second part, present continuous, that is known as present imperfect and present progressive. Third part, present perfect, and fourth part, present perfect continuous tense. Dear students, at first I am going to teach you simple present. What is simple present? In any present time, any work done and habitual works, habits, that is known as simple present tense. But in Hindi sentence, if you convert Hindi to English, then you have to take care in Hindi sentence in the end of sentence ta hai, ti hai, te hai, given, then you should understand that this sentence is related to simple present tense, such as I like to study, you teach Hindi, the teacher teaches me, simple present. A structure of this tense S plus V1 or V5 plus O. But take care, V5 is used only in third person singular subject, such as Ram reads a book. Here reads V5 because subject Ram, third person singular number. In this condition, V5 is used. If I tell you Ram and Syam read in my school, here third person also given Ram and Syam, but denotes plural number more than one person. So, in this condition, V1 will be used. Ram and Syam read in my school. Next example, I go to school daily. You learn mathematics. All such examples are related to simple present tense. And negative rule, S plus do not oblique does not plus V1 plus O, and does not is used only third person singular subject he, she, it, name, and any singular subject of third person, such as the teacher does not teach me carefully. Dear students, here teacher is third person and denotes only one, that means singular subject. So in this condition, with teacher does not will be used. And others, such as if I tell you the teachers of modern do not speak Hindi, here teachers, that means plural subject, more than one teacher. If the subject is here more than one teacher, then helping verb will be do not and V1. Okay. After that, interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence starts with kya and Hindi sentence, then you have to take care. At first, do and does as written at first, after that subject plus V1, plus object, such as, does the teacher teach us carefully? Do you not know me? Here, do and does is used before the subject. So, certainly we can say that this sentence related to simple present tense, interrogative sentence. After that, I want to tell you, in some sentences, WH words given and Hindi sentence after the subject. One sentence I am telling you in Hindi, such as, आप क्या पढ़ाते हैं? Here, what क्या is used after the subject. So in English structure, at first WH words plus do does plus V1 plus O, such as, what do you teach? Where do you live in? In which class do you study? What does Ram do in the morning? An interrogative sentence in singular number third person also V1 is used. After that, dear student, I want to tell you present continuous. In present continuous tense, second part of present tense, that means any continuing work is now any continuing work, that means not lasted. Work is continued is known as present continuous tense, such as, I am working here. I am teaching all of you. The teacher is teaching all of us. The Prime Minister is addressing the assembly. That means the work is not lasted. The work is continued. So, such types of examples are related to present continuous tense. And making rule, a structure of this tense, S plus M is R plus V4 plus subject. I am teaching your lesson. The boys are preparing for the exam. Such types of examples. And negative sentence, S plus M is R plus not plus V4 plus object, such as, you are not telling a good story. The teacher is not telling me Hindi. I am not teaching you English. And interrogative sentence, M is R will be start at first. At first, M is R plus S plus V1 plus V4, plus V4 plus object, such as, are you doing this work? Are you reading a book? Is the teacher teaching all of us? Such type of examples are related to present continuous interrogative sentence. And if the words are related to WH words, then you have to keep at first WH words. In starting position, you have to write at first WH words, after that M is R, after that subject, after that V4 plus subject, such as, what are you doing here? How are you preparing for the examination? Why are you not telling me a good story? All such examples are related to present continuous interrogative sentence. Dear student, if you have any problem, any confusion, then you can ask on my personal WhatsApp or my personal phone. Thanks.